Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Ethereum is still in the same structure as yesterday, I would say. Ethereum has pushed a little bit higher. The idea was that we ideally would still get this fifth wave to the upside within a still unfolding C wave in a larger third wave. So this is a rally that started actually down here on the 4th of November. I'm tracking a potential 5-wave move up, which again would be a C wave in a third wave of a larger 5-wave diagonal pattern, which means that once this third wave is complete, and it could have completed here already on Tuesday the 12th, but I gave you a micro support area against which we could still focus on higher. And I mentioned it would be ideal to get that fifth wave, even though it took a while to start it, right? It took a while to start it, but still support didn't break. The price actually reacted in this internal fourth wave here on the 15th of November to that $3,008 level, which is an ideal target for such a fourth wave, the 38.2 retracement. And then we rallied in this potential fifth wave. And that's probably what we're doing right now still, even though today, again, Ethereum is showing weakness, right? It's showing weakness, whereas my watch list is green. Ethereum is rather neutral, but would still like to see that fifth wave. So what we have is a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3. Could get a wave 4, 5. I mean, that would be ideal, right? That's the ideal scenario. Next upside levels, 3,511, 3,692, and 3,938, which would be a bit of a stretch for a fifth wave. But it's possible, because if the third wave gets to the 161.8, then the fifth wave can get to the 200%, but it's still an extended one. Now in the very short term, obviously this fifth wave should have 5 waves, right? That's the idea. We already completed wave 1, a flat correction in wave 2, held a higher low, and this third wave looks potentially impulsive. And this internal third wave could still maybe form another high. I mean, that was sort of my communication earlier today to our gold members, because, I mean, maybe a 1-2, 1-2, 1-2, and then it might need one more high in this internal third before this fourth starts, and then a fifth wave. This fourth wave should take roughly as long as the wave 2, so we talk about 3 to 4 days or so. We'll see if we get it. Whatever happens, it is important that we're now holding above the 50% retracement that's located at $3,222. Why is this level so important? Because the 50% retracement of the rally that started down here on the 20th of November, on Wednesday, and any break below it would question this potentially impulsive move to the upside, would indicate that we've already topped, maybe only in 3 waves, and that we're actually already in the larger fourth wave, A wave, B wave, C wave, like that. Yeah, this would be, let's say, the short-term bearish alternative, but I'm saying short-term bearish because it wouldn't be bearish. It would likely send us into that lower support region in this case, and the wave 4 that already could be unfolding then. And this support region is between 2,875 and 2,569. At present, I don't expect us to be already in this larger fourth wave. So I'm watching for higher in the short term. We might get one more extension in this internal third, however, before this fourth starts. Important is just that we're holding above this pivot for now. That's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Today we have launched a poll on X again, on Twitter, formerly Twitter. So if you want to participate, you can do that. There's 1 day left. If one of these coins resonates with you, feel free to vote. This is, I'm going to publish again one video specifically on X on the weekend. One of these coins, you suggested these earlier this week on X, and now you can vote for them, and then there will be one video not on YouTube but here on X. We do this regularly, so make sure you follow us here as well on X. Link is in the description. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.